Okay, so in this video I'm going to go over how to do a file package. So let's just say that this is your booklet that you've made. And so if we just do a file package, we can kind of get all the links and the colors and everything and the fonts, mostly the links and the fonts. The links are obviously like they're all of the, there's also a links panel. They're all of the JPEGs and different files that you've actually done a file place into your InDesign document. So that's what your links are. I can be missing these if I don't have them. So in order to share your InDesign file, do a file package. This should all be like the defaults on all of these should be okay. So just go ahead and just push package. Sometimes it'll say, you have to save it before continuing. Choose the location where you want to save your file package. So I'm gonna name this file package 2 because I've already done this before, but I'll put it on my desktop. You can leave it the same name, like portfolio booklet, or Mary's portfolio booklet. Use your name maybe in there somewhere. You can leave it that naming convention for yours. I'm just showing you this in the demo here. Push save. And so we want to copy the fonts, the linked graphics, which are the links, update links, keep that checked. You can uncheck this, and you don't need the IDML, so you can uncheck that. But you can include a PDF print, which is what I asked for. So you can go to the high quality print setting. That should work. And then go ahead and package. Sometimes it'll say something's missing. Hopefully yours doesn't. This particular file has some issues, just ignore that. And so it'll go ahead and package this document, this InDesign document for us. Okay, and then if we go here, we can see the folder that it made. It actually adds in, when you do a file package, it typically will add in this folder at the end. So, but if we look inside, it's kind of a nice little package that it makes because it gives us the InDesign file. It gives us the nice high resolution JPEG, or not JPEG, PDF file. And the links that we had in our document are all here. So when I go to open up this INDD file on my computer, I'm not going to be missing anything. And the fonts, if I need to install fonts, I can do that easily because it's all provided for here for me. So what we would do is just do a control click on this or right click on a PC, and compress it, which will zip it, make a zip file. And this is what I want for grade. For the rough draft of your InDesign portfolio booklet, for the rough draft that's due. So anyway, talk to you later.